Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cutie Pie 88. Thanks for stopping by. So today we have a TruPart unit that I'm going to put on for you guys. It's like a V-part unit, but it's called a TruPart from True and Pure Texture. She is long. She is a natural texture. Some will call it Kinky straight, but like I said, we are exclusive, so we're calling this Relaxed Natural, okay? Relaxed Natural Texture is one of my favorite textures from their line. It's a black-owned company, black-owned hair company. And yeah, the information on this wig will be down below, but let's go ahead and look at the unit. I'm so excited to install this today. It's gonna come in this box. I always love the packaging. And here is the unit. It's gonna come straight, but I did curl it the other day because I made a TikTok on it, but I had to show you guys this unit today to my YouTube family. So this is the unit. Look at her. Oh my gosh, look at this texture. My absolute favorite texture. So this unit, like I said, it's a TruPart and it has clips. One thing I like about this unit is that the clips are sewn very close to the edges of the wigs. Like, have y'all ever got them V-part wigs and the clips are like way too far back from the front? As y'all can see, these are sewn very, very close to the front. So when you get that clip, it's gonna grip. When you clip, it's gonna grip. So that's what I like. And it does have combs here. So 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the nape, and it does have adjustable straps. And here is the great thing about this unit. You really don't see any wefts or any tracks. And this is going to allow you to have very small leave out. As y'all can see, my leave out is very small. And of course it has to be split in 2. So you have to be aware of that, of how much you leave out. It still has to be split in 2 and it still have to cover this part. But I feel like this is a good amount of hair to have out because you really don't have any real like wefts to cover, which is really, really great about this unit. And like I said, look at her. Oh my gosh. So we're going to silk press her a little bit more. That's a good thing about this unit. You can wear it like this and kind of like the blown out texture, so you don't have to press your hair if you don't want to. So if you're natural, you know, you have to press it very minimal, low heat. If you're relaxed, you still don't have to press it as much, which is great because we're not trying to heat damage our leave out. Or you can really convert this to a much more silkier texture, which is good because my hair is more silkier textured. So let's go ahead and transform this just to a little slightly silkier texture, but already like the density, I love this unit. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put it on my mannequin head just so I can get a more like a better silk press throughout the entire unit. And yeah, let's go ahead and put it on my wig head and silk press this TruPart unit out. Okay, so let's go ahead and press her out to get her just a little bit closer to my relaxed hair texture. And I didn't put anything on the wig before doing this, but all the tools that I use is going to be linked to my Amazon storefront below. So this is the Babe Bliss flat iron. This is a 1.5 inch flat iron, and it is my absolute favorite. I don't flat iron any hair, whether it be weave or my own hair, past level 350, which is, I believe, 35 on the dial. So you don't want to, if you're going to do weave, don't go over 40. But for my real hair especially, don't go over 350, which is 35 on the dial of the flat iron. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and use some coconut oil to give it a little bit more shine after this silk press. And y'all, look at the density of this hair. It is so pretty. And let's go ahead and put it on now that it's all silk pressed out. This unit smells so good because of that coconut sheen spray. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty and it smells so good. So this is my braid pattern. I don't have a braid pattern actually. I just did 2 braids on the side and I'm just going to pin this up in the back. You can decide to put a cap on if you want. I didn't put a cap on because it kind of blocks the leave out area in the front, but this is very minimal leave out. This is what I love about this. Look how much leave out I have. Normally with regular U-part wigs, even other V-part wigs, you need so much hair left out. And with this one, I really don't. So I love it. So let's go ahead and put the combs in. Beware of your own edges when you're putting the combs in the front. If you're prone to like tension, you know, kind of pushing your hairline back, beware You can always sew this down as well. You don't have to use the combs, but I just, for the sake of the video, use the combs today. And it's as easy as putting in the combs and then clipping the clips down. Each side of the leave out has 2 clips. So this thing is secure. It is so secure. Like, it's not going anywhere. And you can decide to leave out a little bit more edges if you want, but I just did enough to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. And I'm just going to put some edge control on them. And I just love this. It looks so realistic, so natural. It looks like I have a sew-in, and it's just easy as that. Like, it was super easy. I did the actual install within 2 to 3 minutes, so you cannot beat that. And y'all, look at this. I didn't even have to flat iron my leave out. This is crazy. I haven't had a relaxer in a few months, and I didn't even have to flat iron my leave out for it to blend with this hair, because it's not like bone straight, silky like Barbie hair. Even though I flat ironed it, it still has texture, which my real hair has texture too. So it just blends so beautifully, and it's just something about that perfect blend. It's so pretty, y'all. Y'all let me know below if y'all are feeling this wig texture. I am definitely feeling it. I was feeling myself. Like, I could not stop swinging this hair around. And I just love you don't have to fry your leave out, and you don't have to have so much leave out. So yes, I am loving it so far. So as you guys can tell, this hair is such great quality. Like, I silk pressed it, but it still has that texture to it. But it's not too thick. That's what I really love about this unit. It's not too thick, and oh my god, it's so pretty. Like, where is my hair? Like, you can tell this little piece right here. Like, I had put some wax on my own hair yesterday, so that's probably why it's not as flowy as it could be. But it literally like melts into this hair. Like, I really like it. And as y'all saw, I did not put a flat iron to my leave out at all. And that's the benefit of this hair texture. Your hair just melts into it. I do feel like if you do put some kind of sheen spray on the hair like I did, your hair needs to be just as shiny. I feel like in the past, my hair was so dull, like compared to the real hair, and that's what made it not blend. But your hair, your leave out has to be just as shiny as the actual hair. And that's what's gonna really give you that seamless kind of melt into the hair. So I'm just taking a break from lace just for a little bit, and this is the perfect unit. It's so lightweight. Like, this hair is not heavy. It's not heavy. So if you are a long hair girl, you would really enjoy this. So I do want to put some curls in it though. Like, I do, but I don't, but I do. And I do want to put some layers in this too, but I don't know. Like, should I cut layers? I feel like I do need to cut layers. I love this look, but I feel like I just want to cut some layers in it. And the good thing about units like this versus like clip-ins, where, you know, when you cut it, there's no rearranging of, you know, the next time you got to pay attention to where to put the cut pieces and all that stuff. Once you cut this unit, cut layers into it, that's it. All you got to do is put it on your head, and that's it. And if you have like shorter leave out that's like not blending, or longer leave out actually, because my leave out is longer, and I feel like longer leave out does not blend as well as shorter leave out. I don't know, y'all let me know if y'all agree, but I feel like it does. Sometimes you need layers just to help it blend. Like, if you see that line of demarcation, especially if you have like blunt cut ends, it's really hard to blend. So sometimes you need layers cut into the hair, just so, you know, it can match your own real hair texture. That's not really the case right now, but I don't know, I just feel like it needs some layers, and some curls in this hair would be so beautiful. So y'all stay tuned while I cut this hair. I'm kind of sad, but I have my razor comb, and yeah, let's go ahead and cut some layers into it. Okay, so I must admit, I was a little bit sad. I was like, I really don't want to cut layers into this hair, but I really realized if I really want the curls and like certain styles to come out a certain way, you have to put some layers in it. You have to cut it. You have to get your hands into the hair. You can't just wear it bone straight. I mean, you definitely can because it's beautiful, but I'm like, okay, I want to put some curls in it. And I'm so glad I did, because the ending result is so amazing. So I'm using the old school razor comb from my beauty supply store. And as y'all can see, I'm cutting some chunky layers, and it looks worse than what it really is because the hair is thicker. It looks like I'm really chopping off a lot of hair, but I really didn't. So I'm going in with the flat iron. I wanted to do a layered look. I can never get this right. I'm not gonna lie, I can never get the technique right to where, like, well, first of all, one side is always better than the other. This side is way better than the other one. I think it's cut like choppier and it doesn't curl under as much than the other side, but it's so cute. Y'all got the vision. Y'all see what I was trying to do. I can never execute this layered look like perfectly, but this is really, really pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and put some curls into the unit. One thing about layering the hair, it's like double beneficial. You can wear it that style or you can curl the hair and the curls are going to come out so amazing. And one thing I like about cutting into wigs versus like clip-ins, wigs, the layers are already going to be there. Like you don't have to worry about like putting the pieces in the right place. Like if you have to cut into clip-ins, wigs, once you cut it, you're done. It's always cut. So that's the reason why I love cutting into wigs when I have to. And but look at these curls. These curls would not have come out like this if I didn't layer the hair. So I'm so glad I did. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look of our TruPart unit today. I put some curls in her using my trusty dusty Babyliss flat iron. It's a 1 and 1.5 inch flat iron. Everything will be down below in the description box. The flat iron, the products I use, everything is on my Amazon storefront. But look at these curls. I feel like the curls came out this way because of the layers. Like, it doesn't seem like those layers will transform into something like this, but can we just take a moment? Just take a moment. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Y'all, this texture, I think this texture is the prettiest when it's curled. Like, of course, when it's straightened, but the prettiest curls come from this texture. Like, you ever see them girls on TikTok and Instagram be like, I cannot get curls like that? I finally like discovered the secret, and it's layers. It's layers, layers, layers for sure. So I'm so happy this came out this way. Like I said, everything will be down below in the description box. And let me know if you like this look. Give me a thumbs up, drop a comment. I love to respond to you guys. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, TikTok, Instagram, and of course subscribe here, right here on YouTube. All right, thanks so much for tuning in. Bye, y'all.